Looking for the best packing cube set but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best packing cube set based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. BAGAIL YSB GJPL 012-6 Set Ultralight Compression Packing Cubes Packing Organizer. This thing just works, no fuss, no drama. Perfect if you want reliability without gimmicks. Simple, solid, and gets the job done every time. Number 4. Yintrest 8 Set Packing Cubes. Tear-resistant polyester with reinforced stitching means these cubes laugh off rough baggage handling. Frequent travelers who value organization and protection will love the water-repellent fabric and dual zippers that never jam. Mesh panels keep clothes fresh while the foldable laundry bag handles dirty items effortlessly. If you're tired of wrinkled, rummage through luggage, upgrade today. Number 3. BAGAIL PACAS Z10 6 Set/8 Set/10 Set Packing Cubes Various Sizes Packing Organizer. This thing stays put like glue. If you move a lot, it's your new best friend. Works like magic. Number 2. BAGAIL AB 122 4 Set/6 Set/8 Set Compression Packing Cubes Travel Accessories Expandable Packing Organizers, Half Mesh. Struggling to fit everything into your suitcase before that early flight? These compression cubes change the game. Fold your clothes flat, zip them in, then compress with that clever middle zipper, no more struggling with bulky luggage. The 320D fabric keeps everything safe from tears, even when you're stuffing in one last sweater at the last minute. Perfect for anyone who hates digging through messy bags mid-trip. Number 1. BAGAIL PP 038 Set Packing Cubes Luggage Packing Organizers. You're racing to catch a flight, suitcase bursting at the seams, when your toddler spills juice down your shirt. Sliding these cubes in first keeps your clothes wrinkle-free and dry. Perfect for families who need quick access without the chaos. Packs tight, holds up, and makes life easier on the road. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.